Hello everyone. As I mentioned in my previous video, I was going to review the GCD with you. So do we remember what the GCD stands for? Greatest common divisor. That's right. And when do we use this? Well, basically we use it to reduce a fraction. So when we're looking for the largest possible number that divides both denominators, or divides numerator and denominator, so the GCD. So we're going to begin. I need more paper. I've been reusing and reusing, so let's continue doing that. So the first thing that we're going to do is, for example, if I have a V fraction, 12 over 24, and we need to reduce it, you know that the 2 and the 4 are even numbers, so they are both divisible by 2. But is 2 the greatest common divisor for both of them? So this is what we need to do. We need to basically list all the factors of 12 and the factors of 24. Do you guys remember the rainbow factors? You can do that if you want, or just list the pairs in order. Some of you do not like to use the colors, but if you do, go for it. I'm going to try to put my colors here. It's very difficult to hold a camera. I don't have a tripod, so maybe something I will be investing so that I can make more videos. So let's list all the factors of 12. So what gives me 12? What numbers, when I multiply them together, give me 12? So I started with 1, although 1 is not really a common factor. All numbers are divisible by 1, so we don't need to write that in. But, you know, just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to list all of the factors that make 12. So 1 times 12, right? Rainbow factors. 2 times 6. That's right. What else? 3 times 4. And I believe that's it, right? All right, so let's list now the factors of 24, the rainbow factors of 24. So again, I'm listing 1 because 1 times 24, but we're not going to use 1 as a common factor because all numbers are divisible by 1. So 1 and 24. 2 and 12. 2 times 12, 24. 3. 3 times 8. And 4 times 6. You're right. There you go. So, which numbers or digits, if you will, are common factors? Well, we have 2, like we had said before. We have 3, we have 4, and we have 6. But which one is the greatest common factor? And we have 12 also, yeah. 12 is the greatest common factor. That means that you're going to take this number and we're going to divide the denominator and the numerator by it because it's the greatest common one. So you're going to simplify your fraction right away. Instead of doing it in several steps, it might just be a little longer. So by 12 we said it was 1, and 24 divided by 12 is 2. So, and I know those of you who are very mathematical and love numbers, you right away saw that 12 over 24 is half. 12 is half of 24, so you knew right away without needing to do this. But some of us are visual learners, so we need to see it this way as well. So we simplified that fraction, 12 over 24. How about working on another one, 12 over 14? Okay, so let's do that one. Let's see if we can factor all of the factors of 12 and all of the 14th. So we've did 12 already. So we have this here. So let's do 14 then. 14 might be a little easier. 1 times 14 is 14. And 2 times 7. And I think that's it. There's nothing else that when you multiply together gives you 14. So I'm looking at my multiples of 12. Maybe I'm just going to write them so that it's easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So which one is the greatest common divisor here? I believe it's 2, right? So that means that 12 and 14 are both equally divisible by 2. And I know my facts, so what number do I multiply by 2 to get to 12? 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So I think I reduced the fraction. Okay, so this is why it's important for us to know what the GCD is for. All right, I'll see you guys later.